Why does it feel like we're doing everything right, working, saving, hustling, yet money still feels like it's controlling us instead of the other way around? Like, you check your balance after payday, and somehow it's already gone. It's exhausting trying to adult when the math never maths. You ever feel like adulting hit you like a truck? Like one day, you're vibing in college. Next thing you know, you're paying rent, taxes, and crying over electric bills. Nobody prepared us for this part. We just got thrown into it and told to figure it out. We were told to get a job, save a little, and everything would be fine. But guess what? Rent's wild, groceries are wild, and even breathing in this economy feels expensive. Like, can we catch a break for once? Let's be real, the system wasn't built for us. And if we keep following the same old money advice, we'll stay stuck, working harder, not smarter. If we don't learn how to make money work for us, it'll always be working against us. Hey loves, it's Sophia here. Welcome back to the Sophia Cash channel, where we're helping you glow up financially. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice, just big sis money talk to help you level up. By the end, you'll know exactly how to shift from paycheck stress to building real financial freedom step by step. Grab your iced coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. Let's be real, a lot of us grew up hearing stuff like money is the root of all evil, but here's the truth. Money isn't evil, it's just energy. It reflects how we use it, how we see it, and what we believe about ourselves. When you fear money, like stressing over bills or feeling guilty spending, it starts avoiding you. But when you respect it, learn from it, and move with confidence, it flows back to you. It's a two-way vibe. Think about it, 70% of lottery winners go broke within 5 years. Why? Because money without the right mindset is like giving a Lamborghini to someone who never learned to drive. It's chaos. Imagine opening your bank app and actually feeling chill. No anxiety, no panic, just peace. That's financial freedom. Like Oprah said, you can change your future by changing your attitude. It starts in your mind. Okay, forget those boring spreadsheets that make your eyes glaze over. Budgeting isn't about locking yourself down. It's about creating a plan that fits you. Think of it like designing your dream lifestyle, not cutting out the fun stuff. Here's an easy formula that actually works. The 50-30-20ths rule. Half of your money goes to needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for saving or investing. It's like giving your money clear boundaries but still letting it have fun. You can totally have your Starbucks and your savings too. It's about balance, not restriction. Budgeting doesn't mean giving up what you love. It means being smart so you can have both. Think of it like making your money multitask. Here's the real trap. Most people think budgeting means saying no, but it's actually permission to say yes. Yes to your goals, yes to guilt-free spending, yes to control. When you know where your money's going, you finally get peace of mind. You know how saving can feel like punishment sometimes? Like, ugh, there goes my coffee budget again. But here's the twist. Saving isn't about saying no. It's about saying yes to your future self. It's like giving your future you the freedom to live her best life. Seriously, even $5 a day adds up. That's like $1,800 a year. You don't have to be rich to start saving. You just have to start. Think of it like leveling up in your own money game, one tiny win at a time. Imagine this. Your friends plan a random weekend getaway, and you don't even stress. You just say, I'm in, because you already budgeted for fun. That's what real freedom looks like. Money that works with you, not against you. Like Warren Buffett said, don't save what's left after spending, spend what's left after saving. It's not about restriction, it's about priorities. You're not cutting your joy, you're investing in your peace of mind. Okay, real talk, investing isn't just for rich people. It's literally how people become rich. You don't need a fancy degree or $1 million, just the guts to start small and stay consistent. Like, if you invest just $200 a month starting at 22, by the time you're 40, you could have over $100,000 working for you. That's your money literally growing while you live your life. Imagine this. Your money making more money while you're chilling on a beach or binging Netflix. That's the kind of freedom investing gives you. It's about letting your money hustle so you don't have to. The biggest mistake? Waiting. The earlier you start, the less you'll have to stress later. Time is your best friend in this game. And every month you wait, you're missing out on free money. Okay, real talk, depending on one paycheck, that's like standing on one leg during an earthquake. If your job disappears, your whole world shakes. Multiple income streams aren't extra. They're your safety net, your freedom plan. Think about it, most millionaires don't have just one way to make money. They've got investments, side hustles, content, businesses, even money-making money. You don't need 7, you just need to start with 1. Imagine this, waking up, checking your phone, and seeing money came in overnight. That's not magic, that's smart design. You've built systems that pay you even when you're chilling or sleeping. Jay-Z said it best, "I'm not a businessman, I'm a businessman." You are the brand, the product, the CEO of your life. So stop waiting for one paycheck. Start creating your streams of freedom. Debt doesn't define you, babe. It's not who you are. It's just a number. And you've got the power to change it. Everyone's been there. And trust me, your worth is way bigger than your balance. When it comes to paying off debt, you've got 2 moves, the avalanche or the snowball. Pick the one that fits your vibe. Fastest wins or small wins that keep your energy up. It's not about being perfect. It's about momentum. Imagine opening your credit score app and smiling instead of stressing. That's not just numbers. That's freedom. That's you taking control of your story. The truth is, the system profits when you stay in debt. But you win when you take back control. Every dollar you pay off is one step closer to your peace, and that's your real flex. Being rich isn't about showing off, it's about feeling calm when you check your bank account. It's when you know your money is working for you, not against you. Real wealth is freedom, not flexing. You know what's wild? The average American spends like $1,200 a year on subscriptions they don't even use. That's gym memberships, apps, random trials that just keep charging you. Imagine what you could do with that cash, trips, investments, or just peace of mind. Being rich doesn't mean designer bags or luxury cars. It's that deep sigh of relief when bills are paid and goals are funded. It's having time to live, laugh, and actually enjoy what you've built. Coco Chanel said, "There are people who have money and people who are rich." And that hits different, right? Because real richness is how you live, not what you spend. When your money supports your happiness, that's when you've truly made it. So let's recap. Shift your mindset, budget smart, save intentionally. Invest early, create income streams, and live your version of rich. Money doesn't have to be your enemy. It can be your best teammate if you learn how to play the game. If this hit home, give this video a like, drop it in the comments, and share it with a friend who needs a money glow up. Let's chat in the comments. What's one money move you're committing to this month? Don't forget to subscribe to Sophia Cash channel, helping you glow up financially. Remember, your financial glow up starts with one smart move. And girl, you've got this.